In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. And by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck, like that. Following that, install this free app from Flartu Developer. DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!